Okay guys, so we are at Five and Below and we're just gonna be looking. We might grab a couple things, but I do want to say Five and Below has officially put out their Christmas stuff, and I feel like it's gonna, well, it's not even a feel like, it's definitely gonna pile up soon as it starts hitting December and the end of November, because we haven't even got to Thanksgiving yet and they have already put like a bunch of Christmas stuff out. So once I get inside of there, I'm gonna show you guys like all the cute stuff they have and etc. But it's raining, so I have to put my camera up. Yeah, can I just get the chocolate medium frappe?
Can I have
mocha, yeah.
Can I have a chocolate medium frappe?
Frappe?
Yeah, and with a medium fry.
Okay.
That's it.
That's it.
like me. Ah. What is it, like a popsicle?
Yeah, it's a popsicle.
Popsicle? Look at this. This is super cute. Yeah. It's a SpongeBob ukulele. It's so cute. Okay guys, so I just got out of 5 and Below, and y'all, it was packed, but I did end up getting like the PJs that, you know, I saw, and I like that it's long sleeved. I didn't want to get any shorts because it's getting cold outside, but it was definitely packed.
It was too damn packed, and you couldn't even shop.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna just stick to the one that's where I live by, because I went outside of where I live and it was a lot going on. It was too much. I couldn't even walk. You know, everywhere I walked, every step that I took, somebody was right there in front of me or right there behind me. So it just, I'm not gonna go to that one again. But yeah, once I get home, I'm gonna show you guys like what it looks like and stuff. And yeah.
And dynebugs, where you at? Where you at, dynebugs and stuff, man? I need the love. I'm finna start my YouTube channel. Please follow me.
Baby, what them little ass kids don't want to follow you?
It's not
them truck drivers.
It's not about them guys. Tell your parents, tell your dads, tell your mom, tell your auntie, tell your uncle. Hell, tell your grandparents. I'm finna be out here. She shy. I ain't shy. Put it back on me. I need all y'all to subscribe to my channel. Follow my daughter. Keep rocking with her. She doing her thing. She making us proud.
Mom. Yeah, I remember her 2 braids in the video. Y'all know who this is.
Yeah, and that's her. 2 braids, Mrs. Fisher. Don't get her.
She wanted me to tell y'all my lenses to put them in, but she really did them.
You can run, but you can't hide from the camera.
I don't like riding.
The camera don't lie, baby.
Okay guys, so I am currently in the car. As you can see, I'm with the family, and it is currently 9:21, and we are heading to Walmart because we have to go grocery shopping right now. So once I get in the store, I'm gonna show you guys like all that we get, like little stuff here and there. And yeah, y'all know how I feel about Walmart, but look, we gotta get stuff done this morning. And yeah, we just cruising. It's a nice day. It's still a little chilly, but it's not chilly to the fact, like, you know what I'm saying? Like it's freezing, but it's good weather. And my mom is home driving.
Let's do that.
So yeah, I'm gonna come to you guys once we pull up to the Walmart. Yeah. Bye guys. Say bye, Mom. Say bye, guys.
Bye.
You just say bye. He said. Y'all don't mind my brother glasses.
That's right, baby.
No.
Yeah, he missed it.
Oh, he took them off. Oh, put them on, baby. Put them on. Put them on. Put them on. Oh. Y'all should have seen his glasses. Oh my goodness. But yeah, once we get there, I'm gonna show you guys, and yeah, we're gonna just see how it goes. Because last time we went in there, baby, they was acting crazy, okay? Seriously. I have to give y'all a story time. I think I did, but man, they was, yeah, seriously. Mom, wasn't they acting crazy in there? It was like worse than I've ever, like, no. But yeah, I'm gonna come to you guys once we are there. y'all, we just made it to the Walmart and we finna get this cracking, y'all. Y'all, we already had the funniest interaction when we came here, y'all. We said, oh, let's move our parking spots, baby, because we ain't gonna play that.
You wanna know why I get that thing on my
I told Mama, move your car. And she said, why? She said, you might come back, your bumper might be gone from the back of your car. Because why do you care if we got it, like...
Where you get that from?
Okay.
I said, I don't know, my husband. When he bought my truck, he bought that with me.
Yeah. This don't come to Walmart, man. See, when you go to Target, ain't nobody bothering you first thing in the morning. They going about their business and they leaving you alone. But out here, they look crazy, okay?
He said, oh yeah, because I got to get one of those.
Dude, I don't know where you gonna get a room, buddy, but no. But y'all, we finna go ahead and get inside. I look like a cute little soccer mom. Like, look at my outfit. I got the cutest little soccer tennis mom outfit on. I look like one of them bougie big sisters. Cause I am. Love booty and some socks. And my cute little hat, my cute little birds. And you know, I'm mom. You?
Why y'all get me started like this?
The Mario. Sonny and her in that face. Okay, y'all, we gonna go ahead and get inside. I've been seeing these all over the vlogs and I wanted to try it, so I'm gonna get it. I've never had these before, so this is gonna be interesting. So let's just put it in the cart. And I'm also gonna get the holiday M&M's mini sugar cookie dough because we gotta amp our cookie options, okay? I'm not the big cookie person, but I feel like it's gonna be cute. And then I got this peppermint mocha drink, so this is gonna be a cute night for us. We're just gonna see how it turns out. So I am in my kitchen and it is currently 6:56. My hair is a mess. I just got the shower. My edges are not done. This is bare face because why not? I have to show you guys the PJs that I got from Five and Below. Hold on. These are the PJs. Like I said, long sleeve. I wanted something long sleeve because I didn't need anything that's gonna keep me cold or anything like that. And these are the little slippers that I got to match them. Super cute, super cozy. And today, guys, we're gonna be doing something really fun. Mom's cooking dinner right now. I'm gonna show you guys what she's cooking for dinner, but that's not the only thing we're gonna be doing. I know I have so much energy, but it's okay. These pictures are just super cute. Close-up design. Eats down, but we're going to be doing something pretty good on a Monday. We're going to be making the Christmas tree shaped sugar cookie dough cookies. Mind you, I've never made these before, but I've been seeing everybody make these, so this is what we're going to be making. These. I'm not a big cookie person in general, but I feel like this is going to be really fun. I think I'm gonna really like this one. This one's gonna be really good. So, let's get excited, y'all. I'm ready for the season. Okay, got my shoes. Let's go. Get this work. Okay, whatever. Y'all, why am I just now figuring out that this is already made? So we're just gonna take this, put it aside, and we're just gonna put this in a cup and add a creamer inside of it. So yeah, let's just get back into it.